the importance of high-performance entrances and hardware in educational facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore the importance of high-performing aluminum entrances and hardware in schools and educational facilities, including the role of vestibules for security and electronic locks allowing a remote operator to grant access to a facility. All buildings must have entrances to allow access from the exterior to the interior. Since entrances are the main means of entering a facility, they play a big role in a school's security. Here are other roles played by a school's entrances. Clearly, entrances are not just for access. They perform many other strategic functions for the overall operation facility. Let's take a closer look at these. There are numerous options available for aluminum entrances that can enhance security. Vestibules are built with sets of entrances with a space between them. In the upper picture, you can see there's a security desk in the center so that a security officer sitting there can lock down the entrances if required. The lower shows an application where a metal detector on the exterior entrances can lock down the interior one if it's triggered. Electrically operated locks on entrances allow schools to control who enters. Here's an example of a latch lock on an entry that requires anyone wanting to enter to have a magnetic card to operate the door. Glazing and fixed elevations like windows, entrances, curtain wall, storefront can be fabricated with laminate glass to slow down a forced entrance. The inclusions of rails horizontally and vertical in entrances divides glass into smaller openings, which makes it more difficult for someone to break and enter through them. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.